Welcome everybody. My name is Chef Joel, and this is Chef Sarah. Thank you all for coming to our first kids cooking class. We got a lot of great things on the menu today. We're going to make some smoothies, some guacamole, a wrap, and a monster cookie. So,
does that sound good?
Who here likes to cook? All right. Who here has never cooked? Okay, well, you're going to cook today. How about that?
All right, are you guys excited? Yeah?
Does everybody like their chef hats? You want to put them on?
Decorate them, write your names on them.
Write your name on there. Okay, welcome parents also. Thank you for getting your kids involved and excited about cooking. So we're going to start off, and Sarah is going to open with a kind of semi-healthy smoothie for your kids.
A healthy breakfast smoothie, okay? You guys like smoothies? All right, so our smoothie is going to be berries, but we're going to sneak a healthy ingredient in there. Do you guys know what this is? Spinach. Who likes spinach? All right, you guys are adventurous eaters. Who absolutely hates spinach? I bet you will not even taste it in my smoothie, okay? All right, and we're also going to put, you guys know what this is? Greek yogurt. We're going to put yogurt in there. And then our smoothies also, we want to make them a little sweet, right? So what can we put in them to make them sweet? What?
Honey.
Honey, yep. That's what we're going to put in them. All right, so I need a couple of volunteers. Come on up, I saw you first. And then little girl back, if you guys put your hats on with your names, it would help us. Then we know who we're talking to. Come on over here, honey. One more big scoop in there for me. Let's put one more big scoop in there real quick. Okay, that works. We're gonna put it right in, okay? All right, and we're also gonna put some milk in there. So, how many of you drink regular cow's milk? How many of you drink something different, like almond milk or something like that? All right, you can use either one in your recipe, okay? All right, we're gonna put our lids on our blenders. We're gonna make sure our lids are on nice and tight. All right.
You want to do it till it's nice and smooth.
See how that's nice and smooth? Yeah. Don't be scared to get messy. It happens when you're cooking.
Everybody like the smoothies? Yeah? All right, good. Good. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is homemade guacamole. Does everybody know what guacamole is? Yeah? Does everybody like guacamole? Yeah? Okay, good. Okay, so first thing you wanna do, and parents, just to make sure it's okay, everybody has a butter knife. I'm gonna pretend this is a butter knife, but this is a chef knife, okay? Your avocado is already cut in half, okay? Does everybody have their butter knife handy? Take the blade side and put some little cuts in it, just like this, okay? And then what you want to do is turn it around and do cuts the other way. And it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So next, all you have to do is take your avocado and point it at your bowl and squish it out. See how it's popping out? See, just like that, okay? Just pinch it. Yep, Sarah can help you. If it doesn't come out all the way, then that's what you have your soup spoon for. You can scrape the rest of it out, okay? You guys ready for the next step? Do you have a lime? Everybody has a lime, right? Can you take it and pinch it, and then you're going to squeeze all the juice out of it to go on top of your avocado. Okay, Does everybody see their salt? Dump your salt right on top of the avocado. Okay. Cool. Okay, that was the easy part, right? Okay, next, dump your onions, your tomatoes, your cilantro, and your sour cream. All together. Use your spoon if you need to scrape out the sour cream.
You don't like the onions?
You don't have to put the onions in.
You don't like the onions, you don't have to. It's okay.
Take your fork, and not your spoon, but your fork, and take it prong side down, and just kind of mash everything together until it becomes smooth, okay? How we doing out there? It's looking good. Okay, they're all looking really good out there. Yeah. So now here comes the best part. Everybody sees a bowl of chips in front of them, right? So grab a chip and taste your creation. That's one of them. Yeah. Oh, can you see? Yeah, I love avocados. So, how does everybody like the guacamole that you made? Is it good? Yeah? All right, cool. All right, I'm going to turn it over to Sarah now, and she is going to make some monster cookies.
I am going to make cookies. You guys all like cookies, right? Okay, yell out your favorite kind of cookie. Chocolate chip? M&M? Sugar plum, okay. Cheesecake? I like it, I like it. All right, so I'm gonna start off with one volunteer.
Everybody learned something today? Hi, Mike.
Hello.
How to eat? You guys think you learned something today? Hopefully? Yeah? Do we have any favorite parts of the show today? What was your favorite part? Making cookies. I figured that would be the favorite part. Your favorite part? Say what? Spinach? Spinach was your favorite? Nice. What was your favorite? The guacamole?
How many of you ate something today that you have never eaten before?
Oh, that's good too.
All right.
How many are going to go home and make their own lunch to give their parents a little break? Everybody? There you go. Well, thank you guys. Thank you, parents. Hope you enjoyed everything. Hope you learned a thing or two. And from me and Sarah, have a good night. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Enjoy the